Waving a hand at your watchmaker, 122 Main.
Mr. 122.
Hey, watchmaker, definitely good to hear you in my receive there. Just cleared out for a short, so I wanted to spike it down, wave the hand while I can. 512, the watchmaker, sounding good up here in Maine. I must be losing the conditions there. Hey, so 512 watchmaker, we'll do it again when we can. 122 northeast corner, state of Maine, back out. Bye-bye.